Hey, what's going on there, folks? Earthmaster here, checking in. It is October 25th, 2018, 4:47 p.m., and we got a pretty good-sized earthquake. It just came into the seismograph stations here just a little while ago, 6.8 out here in an area where we haven't seen too much large activity in quite some time. I know we've been seeing quite a bit of swarming within the Mediterranean Sea region, but now we're getting a pretty good size, almost 7 magnitude earthquake striking into the region of Greece right now. 35 kilometers southwest of this area here in Greece, at a depth of about 16 kilometers. No doubt the folks over there around the region did feel it. As far as any type of tsunami statement, I'll go ahead and check that here real quick. Let me open up that real quick here. Find the... I don't think there's going to be, but you never know. I'm not seeing any type of tsunami statement out there. It is kind of out there in the sea, at least according to this interactive map right here. Maybe a little, yeah, just off the coast, just a little ways here. But no doubt, definitely showing up rather nicely on the seismograph stations there. Pager is set at yellow all across the board here. Estimated intensity being pretty strong within the region there. Not too familiar with the area of Greece and whatnot, but you got Athens over here, just to the east a little ways, roughly about what are we looking at here? About 250 miles or so from the epicenter of that 6.8 earthquake. Now, this thing I believe has been updated by a seismologist, reviewed right here, so I don't think we'll see any type of update on this earthquake, whether it be lowering or highering of that magnitude. So we're looking at 16 kilometers below the surface at a 6.8 magnitude, and that's a pretty good strong shaker right there, there's no doubt. Did you feel it reports? There are some coming in right now. Let's go ahead and check those just real quick within the region. Quite a few people are reporting it within these areas out here, which I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce the names because I'm not super familiar with the Greece area out there, but I do know for a fact a lot of swarming has been going on out there around the Mediterranean Sea region. Like I say, this one here just east of the area, a little ways, we are seeing a little bit of aftershock activity following that 6.8 earthquake near Greece. Looks like there was a 5.0 pre-shaker about 30 minutes prior to that 6.8. So rather interesting activity there within this area of the Earth. So yeah, interesting activity nonetheless. We'll have to keep an eye on this area and see if they don't have any more larger earthquakes out there. Just kind of interesting there. Anyway, folks, I did want to jump in real quick and let you guys know about that 6.8, pretty good sized large earthquake. I would call that a major earthquake there. Along the west coast of California, seeing a little bit of activity out there around the Cascadia subduction zone once again, right around northern, southern Oregon region, 3.2 and a 2.6 occurring there earlier today. I believe we can also check that out on another map here, the Caltech site. You can just barely see that out there. But nonetheless, a little bit of action occurring out there near Crescent City. Well off the coast of Crescent City. So anyway, folks, hope everyone's having a good day out there. We will be keeping an eye on this earthquake activity out here and do an update video a little bit later on this evening. You can see some P waves coming in now to the seismograph stations there around Japan, and also Yellowstone will be picking up those P waves, which are not being felt by anyone obviously, but definitely the equipment that they use to detect movement in the earth is definitely picking those things up. So the earth will be ringing like a bell for a little while, needless to say. Stay safe out there, folks. We'll talk to you guys a little bit later on.